All right, so this is a very special lesson. This is a very special lesson. If you want to start editing videos, watch this. I'm going to show you the easiest way to edit ever. And this doesn't matter what editing program you're using, Mac, PC, mobile, it doesn't matter. So check it out. Watch this tutorial. Stay tuned. Amani Channel, this is Video Fearless, where I help business owners attract leads and clients with video marketing, even if they're terrified to make videos. If you want to make videos to grow your leads, followers, your influence, authority, this is what's going to help you do it. So I'm going to help teach. So I teach simple tips to help you make effective videos. And in this video, I'm talking about editing, because a lot of folks say, hey, I want to edit, but I don't know how. It's so confusing. So just stick with me and watch the end of this video, because this is really going to bless you. All right, but before we do that, please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. If you do subscribe, if you're seeing this on YouTube, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of these awesome episodes, because I'm sharing regular tips to help you start video marketing if you're a beginner, novice, don't know how to make videos, feel nervous, etc. All right, so I'm on a Mac, first of all, but it doesn't matter, because what I'm about to show you will work for PC or Mac. It doesn't matter what program you're using. All right, so we're going to hop into it. This is ScreenFlow. ScreenFlow is a program that allows you to edit, allows you to do screen captures. This is a video that I edited with my son's little birthday video. I'm not going to show you how I edited this, though. I'm going to start from scratch. All right, so let me show you the layout before we even get it. Well, let me just let me start a new project first of all. So we're going to go to New. Go to Document, and you have some options. So you can choose 720p, you can choose 1080. I generally choose 1080 because YouTube likes 1080 or 4K, but it doesn't need to be 4K because I don't shoot in 4K. There are some other presets. You can also do some screen dimensions. You can choose your own presets. All right, so I'm just gonna choose 1080. Then we will hit this little button here, and this is going to launch a new window. All right, so this is the general edit window. Before I get into editing, I'm going to just explain to you what's going on here. This is the preview screen where you either see your raw clip or you'll also see your edited video. So depending on which screen you're clicking on, you'll see either or. I think this might change too. This is the timeline. So this is where you perform all your edits. Let me close this. All right, if you turn off. Let me turn these off. All right, and these are basically different controls and commands that you have of your files once you import them. These are media libraries, so this is where your videos will be stored. All right, so I'm going to start here, and then I'm just going to show you how to edit. So I'm going to get into an edit for you in real time, so you can just follow along. And if you're editing on Mac, PC, mobile, it doesn't matter, because this is going to be a super simple way to edit. So let me go to my drive where my files are. They're in here. Video Fearless, and this is the 30-day challenge. So I'm just going to use one of the videos that I recorded as an example here. Oops, let me back out of this. All right, so I'm going to use one of these videos. I'm not even sure which one this is. So I'm just going to choose this one here. All right. This is a random video. I don't know what it is, but I do know it's part of the 30-day challenge. All right, let me just sort of preview it here. The most important thing. All right, so anyways, I'm not going to watch it. I don't even care. All right, so I'm going to drag this file into the media library. All right, so now it is in the program. And then if I just want to add the raw clip to the timeline, I can do that. I'm going to show you a couple different ways. Or else you can click on it here, and it will appear in this separate preview window. All right, now this is something that's new to ScreenFlow 9. If you're on a Mac, I suggest you get invest in ScreenFlow 9. I think it's less than $250, it's probably like $199 or something like that. All right, and this is how easy it is to edit. So I'm going to show you a couple ways you can do it. The other way you can edit, let me undo this. Oops, no, I can't undo it. Is you can just drag this. Should be able to just drag this on the timeline. There you go. All right, and you can just start editing there. All right. Now, the way I can edit so quickly is because I record the majority of my videos in one take. So that is the secret to doing this. Now, you have to record your videos in one take. Now, if you don't know what I mean by that, check this link in the description or this link in the description. I'm going to leave a little link up here so that you can start doing it. But that's basically the secret. That's the trick that I use. All right, so I'm going to undo this. I'm going to show you how the traditional way to edit. So in this preview window, you can scrub. All right, so I'm just going to scrub it to when I think I started. About, back it up a little bit. I can't see because my webcam's blocking the screen here. So about there.
And 3, 2, 1.
Now I'm going to hit I for endpoint, or else I can hit this button here for endpoint. That marks the beginning of where your edit's going to start.
Did you know you have to look?
All right, and then I'm just going to go to the end of the video.
Peace.
Now I always end up with peace, so I know that's the end. So just hit O for out point, or else you can hit this little marker here, which is the out point. And then all you have to do is hit this plus. I can't see it, but hit this plus. Oh man, having some kind of error. So that's normally what you would do. All right, but I'm gonna edit it this way because something's going on with screen flow. I don't know what that is. Never seen that before. The other way you can edit is just to lay the clip into the timeline, and then you switch this to the pointer, and then you just trim it this way. All right, so we're just gonna trim it to where I begin. It's about there. Make sure you're on the timeline window here, and then you hit play.
Did you know you have to look at?
All right, so that's the beginning of the video, and then just scrub to the end, or you minimize it, make it smaller this way. Hopefully you're following along with me. Sorry for that little curveball earlier. All right, and now we will go to the end of the video, which is here. Use the arrows to go frame by frame. Bam, and we are done. Can you believe that? So I'm gonna play some of this.
Did you know you have to look like a model? You have to be perfect. You have to be the expert of experts to get started with video marketing. But go ahead and share this with them. Did you know you look like 30 videos with me as we move forward? So share this with a friend who might benefit from this information, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Peace.
It is that easy. All right, now if you want to see that finished video, I'm gonna leave it in the. It's gonna be part of the end of the. It's gonna be in the menu at the end of this video. But that's how easy it is. How many minutes was that? Was it 8 minutes? I don't know. Anyways, this is just a quick video on editing. If you have any specific questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get all the updates in this series, or just get notifications from me when I create a new video. So I'm sharing tips and techniques to help you video market to attract leads and clients. By the way, if this is really helpful and you're really serious about taking your videos to the next level, I would encourage you to use the links in the description and apply to a free strategy call with me. No, let's do this. Watch this free training. There's a link in the description of the free training. Watch that first, and then if you're really interested in working with me, we can talk about that as well. All right? Talk to you soon, Amani Channel. Peace.